Be short in seconds, say what matters. India's central bank gold pile tops $100 billion amid bullion rally. India's Reserve Bank, RBI, has announced that the country's gold reserves have surpassed $100 billion, reaching $102.365 billion as of 10 October 2025. This increase comes in the backdrop of a sharp global rally in bullion prices and a strategic shift in reserve composition. Gold now constitutes 14.7% of India's total foreign exchange reserves of $697.784 billion. This is the highest share since 1996 to 97 and reflects both valuation gains and earlier accumulation decisions by the central bank. The surge in gold's share has been driven by a near 65% rise in global gold prices in 2025, owing to geopolitical tensions, de-dollarization trends, sanctions on Russia, and diversifying reserve portfolios by central banks globally. Interestingly, India only added 4 tons of gold from January to September 2025, sharply lower than the 50 tons imported during the same period in 2024. Thus, much of the jump in dollars value is attributed to price appreciation rather than fresh purchases. Analysts suggest that holding a larger gold buffer gives India a hedge against external shocks, currency volatility, and inflation risks. However, critics warn that stronger gold holdings also lock in reserves that may yield low returns compared to domestic productive investment. With India facing trade deficits and currency pressures, the increased gold share signals a cautious posture by the RBI to secure macro stability. Future policy will depend on how gold prices evolve, how the rupee behaves, and whether the RBI continues to anchor reserves via gold or shifts back toward liquid foreign assets. Source: Reuters. Think business, think Be Short. Tap to subscribe.